Objective Paleontology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are the questions collected from various previous years question papers, and hope these are useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI, ONGC, civil services exams and other exams. Welcome to set 9. First question. The Globotruncaena is A. Planktonic, B. Benthonic, C. Pelagic, D. Lacustrine. All these are the questions were asked in UPSC Geologists exam 1987. The Globotruncaena, it's a benthonic and it's a foraminifer, and its habit is benthonic. That means it lives at the bottom of the seafloor. So B. Benthonic is the correct answer. Next question. The fossil large foraminifers are most abundant in A. Carbonaceous deposits, B. Calcareous deposits, C. Arenaceous deposits, and D. Argillaceous deposit. So these foraminifers are more abundant in calcareous environment. So they have a calcareous or agglutinated shell. So that's why B. Calcareous deposits is the correct answer. Next question. Nummulites is a characteristic fossil of A. Blaini, B. Kroll, C. Shali, D. Subhatu. The correct answer is D. Subhatu. They occur most commonly in shallow tropical carbonate environments with many species hosting symbiotic algae within their test or shells. So D. Subhatu is the correct answer. Next question. Pterophyllum is characteristic fossil of A. Lower Gondwana, B. Middle Gondwana, C. Upper Gondwana, D. None of the above. Pterophyllum is a characteristic fossil of Upper Gondwana. So Pterophyllum flora is one of the three major floras that populated the Indian subcontinent during the early Permian to early Cretaceous time. And recently this set of flora was also known as the Gondwana flora. So Pterophyllum is a characteristic of Upper Gondwana. Next question. Morithyras is of dash age. A. Eocene, B. Miocene, C. Oligocene, and D. Pliocene. Morithyrum, it belongs to Eocene age. Morithyrium is an extinct genus of primitive mammals, and it represents a very early stage in the evolution of elephants, and its fossils are found in deposits dated to be the Eocene epoch. So Morithyras, it is of Eocene age. A. Eocene is the correct answer. Next question. Parahippus appeared in A. Eocene, B. Miocene, C. Cretaceous, and D. Pliocene. So Parahippus has appeared in Miocene period, early Miocene period. So B. Miocene is the correct answer. Next question. Apart from rich mammalian fossils, the Sivalik rocks also contain abundant fossils of A. Echinoderms, B. Brachiopods, C. Foraminifers, D. Reptiles. So apart from mammalian fossils, Sivalik rocks also contain abundant fossils of reptiles. So D. Reptiles is the correct answer. Next question. Black pyritic shales have yielded abundant fossils of A. Trilobites, B. Graptolites, C. Echinoids, D. Corals. So these black pyrite shells have yielded abundant fossils of graptolites. Graptolites, these are common fossils and have a worldwide distribution. They are most commonly found in shales and mud rocks. Next question. In highly organized echinoids, water is introduced through a special plate called A. Madreporite, B. Ampullae, C. Stone canals, D. Ambulacra. So the correct answer is Ambulacra. The test of an echinoid is hemispherical in shape, and it consists of many interlocking plates, so which are arranged in 10 double columns, which radiate from the apex of the upper surface of to the mouth in the center of the lower surface. And 5 of these columns, they carry tube feet, and they are known as ambulacra. And through the ambulacra, water is introduced through a special plate, and this plays a major role in the locomotion of the echinoderm. And because the hydraulic pressure of the fluid and contraction of the muscle tube feet makes it possible movement or locomotion of the echinoderm. So D. Ambulacra is the correct answer. Next question. Fusilinas are characteristic foraminifers of A. Permian, B. Jurassic, C. Eocene, D. Pliocene. Fusilinas are the characteristic foraminifera of Permian. So genus of extinct fusillinid foraminifer. These are also known as single cell animals with a hard complex structured shell. It is found as a fossils of Permian marine rocks. So A. Permian is the correct answer. Next question. When the ocular plate is a oculogenital ring is in contact with the periproct, it is termed as. All these are the questions asked in UPSC Geologists exam 1987. So A. Insert, B. Exert, C. Endar, D. Exar. There are types like insert, exert. So when the ocular plate is a oculogenital ring, it is in the form of a ring and it is in contact with the peripheral, it is termed as an insert. Means they are in contact with the peripheral. When the ocular plates do not make in contact with the inner oculogenital ring, they are known as exert type. So the answer A, insert, is the correct answer. Next question. Aristotle lantern in echinoids is used as an organ of A. Reproduction, B. Mastication, C. Locomotion, D. Respiration. Aristotle's lantern in echinoids is used as an organ of mastication. Aristotle lantern is a perplexing plan of muscles and calcareous teeth, and these plates have they have a reversible organ in many echinoids. It helps in mastication. So B, mastication, is the correct answer. Next question. The lower and the middle Triassic deposits were dominated by ammonoids of A. Goniotitic suture, B. Ceratitic suture, C. Nautiloid suture, and D. Ammonitic suture. So the correct answer is ceratitic suture. These are typically ceratitic sutures have smooth saddles and serrate or digitized lobes. So B, ceratitic suture, is the correct answer. Next question. In trilobites, when the pygidium is not equal in size to the cephalon, it is described as A. Isopygus, B. Micropygus, C. Apygus, D. Mesopygus. So in trilobites, when the pygidium, that is the lower part or tail part, is not equal in size to the cephalon, which is the upper part, then it is described as micropygus. So B, micropygus, is the correct answer. The most distinctive feature of the gastropods when compared with the other classes of mollusks is A. Shell consists of one wall, B. Shell with one opening, C. Shell made up of calcium carbonate, and D. Unchambered shell. The most distinctive feature of gastropods when compared with the other shells of the other classes of the mollusks is shell consists of one wall. So while almost all gastropods shells, they consist of one wall, and they are also referred as uniwall, and only few are bivalve. And while gastropod shells are usually said to be different from the cephalopod shells in lacking septa, and they actually possess them, and if only in the early stages of the shell growth it is seen. So A, it consists of one wall, is the correct answer. Next question. Cameral deposit in cephalopods was used for A. Sinking in the sea, B. Floating, C. Swimming, and D. Horizontal mode of life. Cameral deposit in cephalopods, it is used for floating. Camerae, or in singular it is known as a camera. These are the spaces or chambers enclosed between two adjacent septa in the phragmocone of a nautiloid or ammonoid cephalopod molluscus. This is used for ballast and control of buoyancy or floating. So B, floating, is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following features is not present in gastropods? A. Nuclear orals, B. Septa, C. Radula, and D. Opercula. So septa is not present in gastropods, whereas you can see the radula and opercula are present. So that's why B, septa, is the correct answer. Next question. The post-embryonic growth in trilobites is accompanied by A. Accretion of existing parts, B. Addition of new parts, C. Molting, D. Modification. The post-embryonic growth in trilobites is accompanied by addition of the new parts. Next question. The Ordovician is known as the age of A. Brachiopods, B. Corals, C. Crinoids, D. Graptolites. The Ordovician is known as the age of the graptolites. Next question. The earliest known echinoids are from A. Upper Cambrian, B. Ordovician, C. Lower Silurian, D. Upper Silurian. The earliest known echinoids are from Ordovician period. Hope you have learned some important questions in paleontology. See you in the next video. Your suggestions are most welcome, and you can subscribe to this Explore Geosciences. Thank you.